High Meadow Ranch here in Magnolia is well known for two things. Their golf community with 18 holes of golf and OG's Grill, and their equestrian community full of riding trails throughout the subdivision. Come take a look at my newest listing. You'll find a lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a private study. And you'll find 5 acres for your horse friends, about 7 stalls total, fenced and cross-fenced. There's plenty of room for you to work your horses here on your property. I'd love to come take a ride with you and show you the home. So bring your horses and come out and take a look at 36003 Post Oak Circle here in High Meadow Ranch.